What they done thought, boy? Fuck it. I feel like the Terminator, dude. Just walking in this fucking hellstorm. Bullets are just fucking... I'm just like...
What the fuck was that?
Were you trying to flirt? Hmm? Oh, by the way, you can have this back. You almost hit me in the head, but I caught it with my silver tongue. We crank it up a little bit.
Go to hell if I mean, but I love summer heat, so it won't be that bad. But we be kicking up dust, being too loud. The devil might end up getting kicked out. We the last of a breed that don't ever die. We the last of a breed that don't ever die. To the town of Agua Fria rode a stranger one fine day. Hardly spoke to folks around him, didn't have too much to say. The stranger there among them with the big iron on his hip, the big iron on his hip, big iron.